In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good Janitor AI bot. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. Type Janitor AI into the search bar, then click the official result for janitori.com. Once you're on the site, look for the option to create a character and select it. This is where you'll build the bot's look, voice, and behavior, so it's both helpful and engaging. Start by adding an image. Click the upload icon and pick a picture from your files that clearly represents your character. A clean, high-quality image helps set the tone before any words are exchanged. Next, enter a character name. Choose something memorable and appropriate for the role your bot will play, and avoid using real personal information. Then add a character chat name. Think of this as the display title in chats: short, distinctive, and easy to recognize. Now, craft the character bio. In a few sentences, describe who the character is, what they're good at, and how they help users. Keep it concise but specific, focusing on skills, style, and goals. After that, add character tags. Tags make your bot easier to find and help the system understand its niche. Pick tags that match the bot's role, tone, and subject area. If your character is male, select the male tag. Otherwise, choose what fits your design. You may notice a note that Publish settings have moved to the character view page. That's fine. Just remember, you'll finalize visibility there after setup. When you see the option for Limitless, click it if you want the bot to operate with broader conversation parameters within platform guidelines. Add the personality next. List a handful of traits that you want consistently reflected in responses, such as being patient, supportive, or analytical. Clear traits lead to more predictable and useful behavior. For the scenario field, provide the core context the bot should assume, something like assisting a student who needs help studying. This anchors conversations and prevents the bot from drifting off topic. Write the initial messages. This is the friendly opener that greets users and invites them to share what they need. Keep it warm, brief, and action-oriented. Then add example dialogues. Provide a few short back-and-forths that demonstrate ideal tone, structure, and depth. This is one of the best ways to teach your bot how to respond under common situations. When everything looks right, click Create Character. Your bot is now ready to use. Test it. Note how it responds, and refine the bio, personality, or examples as needed for continuous improvement.